guys.
No, sir. You haven't
Very
given
nice.
with
whom
whom
I,
in this
with whom I have got. किसके साथ?
हाँ, I have also got, but sir hasn't given this
Sir
WH
has
in the
given.
batch.
Right. Sarika is correct because the example is here. With whom would you like to dance? Have I given this example?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So last number was 11, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
write down number 12. And should I ask questions simultaneously? Is anybody ready to answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aparna is ready. Aparna, with whom you can give very nice Bollywood, Hollywood imaginary answer. So it will create a funny atmosphere. With whom would you like to dance?
Sir, I would like to dance with Will Smith.
आप किसके साथ डांस करना चाहेंगे?
सर मैं विल स्मिथ के साथ डांस करना चाहूँ.
Nice.
Sarika, with whom would you like to dance with?
I would like to dance with Ritik Roshan.
आप किसके
Sir,
साथ
should I
डांस
ask
करना चाहेंगे?
anybody or come?
No, Hindi,
जी मैं
only once Hindi is required, है ना?
ओके सर.
okay, okay.
आप किसके साथ डांस
रेनू
करना
भाभी
चाहेंगे?
with whom? अच्छा. मैं ऋतिक रोशन के साथ डांस करना चाहूंगी. रेनू भाभी with whom would you like to dance?
I would like to dance with Hema Malini. Okay. Poonam, with whom would you like to dance?
Renu, I would like to dance with Madhuri Dixit.
Okay. Aritu is also there. You can ask her.
Okay. Ritu,
Yeah,
Ritu,
yeah, Poonam.
with whom would you like to dance?
I would like to dance with Michael Jackson. Who is rest?
रितु आप किसके साथ डांस करना चाहेंगी?
मैं माइकल जैक्सन के साथ डांस करना चाहूंगी, but he is no more, unfortunately. Who is rest?
You can ask me later.
Okay, sir. Sir, with whom would you like to dance?
Well, I would like to dance with Katrina Kaif. She dances
सर
well.
सर आप किसके साथ डांस करना चाहेंगे?
मैं Katrina's cat. Guys, did you mind my answering? Did you notice my answering? You guys are not using, where you must use it. Otherwise, they will not come on your tongue. Okay, let's play second round. Uh, I started with Aparna. Aparna, this is also imaginary question and you can give imaginary answer. Aparna, with whom does she come to the class?
Well, she comes with Sylvester Stallone. In this,
Aparna, वो किसके साथ आती है क्लास?
सर वो सिल्वेस्टर स्टेलोन के साथ क्लास में. Sarika, with whom does she come in the class?
She comes
Sarika 3D. Give 3D. अपर्णा ने इन लगा दिया, ये हमारी बहुत गंदी आदत है, वो इन आता ही है, इसलिए ये सेंटेंस दिया था, किसी भी स्थान पर पहुंचने से पहले। सारिका 3D राइट नाउ।
जी सर। टू मच ऑफ एवरीथिंग इज बैड, किसी भी चीज की अधिकता खराब होती है। वन टुडे इज बेटर देन टू टुमारोज, काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में प्रलय होगी, बहुरी करेगा कब। सोसाइटी मोल्ड्स अ मैन, खरबूजे को देख के खरबूजा रंग बदलता है। सर माय 3D is done.
I have changed the object here. College रख दिया हमने। आप जो it depends on you, whatever you want to put. Aparna, repeat your question with the rectification.
Okay, sir. With whom does she come to the class?
She comes to the class with tiger shroff.
वह किसके साथ आती है? वह क्लास में किसके साथ आती है?
वह क्लास में टाइगर श्रॉफ के साथ आती है। रेनू भाभी।
Sarika, wait a minute. Let me confirm. I will write meanwhile you can ask. How often is given?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oblique में how many times?
How many times?
And simple which is given? Which? Only which?
No, which plus noun.
Which time?
नहीं which time नहीं होता बेटा।
What time?
Sort of?
What time?
What sort of? हाँ।
Given. Whose plus noun?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now you please carry on. I am writing the example and WH.
Renu Bhabhi, with whom does he come to the his dance class?
She comes along with her mother to the dance class. She comes with her mother to the dance class. ठीक है? Well, she comes with her mother.
Come again, Bhabhi. Repeat your sentence.
Okay, Sarika, you come again.
Okay. With whom does he?
अच्छा.
हाँ, come to his dance class.
Okay. He comes with her mother to the dance class. Okay. So, Poonam
With his mother.
with his mother, yeah. Okay. Poonam, with whom does Rohini come to the cooking class?
Renu, actually Rohini, she comes to the cooking class with her best friend.
अच्छा, रोहिणी कुकिंग क्लास सीखने के लिए किसके साथ आती है?
रेनू, एक्चुअली रोहिणी जो है ना, वो अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ डांस क्लास आती है
कुकिंग।
गाइस, ये राउंड पूरा करने के बाद ये अगला जो एग्जांपल बोर्ड पे है वो बोलिएगा। आई एम जस्ट कमिंग बैक।
रितु
Yeah, you carry on. I'm here.
हाँ, with whom does she comes to the college? Sorry, whom does she come to the college? With whom does she come to the college?
Well, she comes to the college with his friends.
ऋतु वो कॉलेज किसके साथ आती है?
वह कॉलेज अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ आती है. Okay, Aparna, I am asking you. Aparna,
हाँ मैं हिंद
are you
नोडिंग
listening?
माय हेड. हाँ.
Okay. With whom does Narendra Modi come to the TV for Man Ki Baat?
टीवी
To
में
the
नहीं
TV
आते हैं.
आएगा? To the TV आएगा कि नहीं आएगा?
आकाशवाणी में आते मन की.
अरे सेंटेंस सही होना चाहिए ना.
आकाशवाणी में आती है मन की बात. चल.
टीवी में आते हैं मन की बात को नहीं.
कम अगेन.
With whom does Narendra Modi come to the TV for Man Ki Baat?
टीवी के लिए कम टू द टीवी.
Come in the TV. Sir,
नहीं.
in the sir, you are
टीवी स्टेशन या
Studio.
रेडियो स्टेशन.
Actually, the sentence is not looking practical. It is not working.
अच्छा किसके साथ आते हैं? तो मन की बात में
मन की बात में वो अकेले होते हैं, किसी के साथ नहीं होते. उनके साथ
हाँ,
पूरा
yes.
कमांडोज होते हैं. पूरा प्रोटोकॉल होता है प्रधानमंत्री के साथ. तो आस्क ए कॉमन क्वेश्चन जनरल.
सर इसका आंसर ऐसा हो सकता है ना, ही कम्स विद ड्राइवर अलोंग विद ड्राइवर. ड्राइवर के साथ ही तो आएंगे. ड्राइवर
आप पैदल चल के थोड़ी आएंगे, पगडंडी से चल के तो आएंगे नहीं रेनू, जाहिर सी बात.
That's why I'm saying not looking practical. Change the subject.
Okay, sir. With whom does she come to the dance class?
Well, Ritu, she comes to the dance class with her boyfriend.
अरे अपर्णा वो डांस क्लास किसके साथ आती है?
वो डांस क्लास में अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ आती है.
Okay.
All are done, sir. Next round. Sarika, whose photo are you taking?
रुक जा, हम स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. Excuse me, miss. Whose photo are you taking?
Well,
Sir,
sir.
to whom are you asking?
I'm asking to Aparna, and don't respond me as this, sir. Suppose you are in a monument, Lal Killa or Qutub Minar, where somewhere photos are not allowed. So the watchman or the security personnel is asking you. Means you understand little bit hesitation. Excuse me, miss, whose photo are you taking?
So, sir, actually, I'm taking this monument's pic.
Oh, ma'am, I'm afraid to tell you, the photography is not allowed here. You can take only your family pics and photos.
Okay, sir. Thank you for.
Welcome, welcome. Should I ask in Hindi? Once I think it is required. मिस आप किसकी फोटो ले रहे हैं?
सर एक्चुअली मैं ये मॉन्यूमेंट्स की फोटो ले रही थी।
माफ कीजिए, चलो ये तुम्हारी जुबान पे रखवाते। हमने क्या बोला था माफ कीजिए किस लिए? डिड यू नोटिस? चलो ये भी जुबान पे ला। Are you shocked to see this?
यस सर।
वो जो बी चैप्टर में दिया है वो वहां आई एम अफ्रेड आई एम स्कैर्ड का मतलब वही है जो लिखवाया गया, लेकिन इसको हेजिटेशन के लिए भी बोला जाता है, माफ कीजिए के सेंस में, या बड़ी विनम्रता से इसका प्रयोग किया जाता है। वहां इसका कोई अर्थ नहीं होता। ये भी आप उस पेज में देखिएगा जो हमने आपको फोटो खींच के व्हाट्सएप किया था, ये शब्द भी शायद मिलेगा उसमें। Miss, I'm afraid the photography is not allowed of these monuments. You can take your family pictures in the garden. माफ कीजिएगा मिस, चलो हम हिंदी करते हैं। मिस आप किसकी फोटो ले रही हैं?
सर एक्चुअली मैं मॉन्यूमेंट्स की फोटो ले रही हूँ।
अभी सेंटेंस को सभी को बोलना है। I'm afraid, miss, but the photography is not allowed here. You can take your family pics in the garden. माफ कीजिए मैडम, मॉन्यूमेंट्स की फोटोग्राफी अलाउड नहीं है। आप गार्डन में अपने परिवार की फोटो ले सकते। आई एम अफ्रेड, माफ कीजिए शब्द, इसको चाहो तो इंटरेक्टिव में अलग से भी डाल सकते। नाउ गो टू सारिका।
सारिका मिस,
तुम
Okay.
काल्पनिक
हाँ।
रखो ना, मिस्टर रख दो, मिस्टर रख दो, कुछ भी। अब हमने इसलिए सारिका बोल दिया कि तुम पूछ रही हो सारिका से, और सारिका तुम जिसका नाम लो केवल नाम लेने के बाद फिर पूरा एक काल्पनिक संबोधन कर देना।
ओके। और निकलते ही नहीं है ढंग से।
उल्टी मत कर देना वे।
Sir, whose pic are you taking?
Well, I'm taking the pic of this famous monument.
Miss, I'm afraid you are not allowed to take pic here, monuments pic here. So you can go the garden and take your family pic over.
Sure.
Okay, no problem.
Sorry, Chetan.
Renu Bhabi. Excuse me, ma'am. Whose pic are you taking?
Well, ma'am, I'm taking the pic of beautiful Nakashi.
I know.
Ma'am, I'm afraid photography is not allowed here. So please, you can take your family pic another place. Don't mind.
Okay. Thank you for informing. Thank you. I'll do that. Okay. Poonam, ma'am, whose pic are you taking?
Well, ma'am, I am taking that beautiful moments pics.
I'm afraid, but ma'am, photography is not permitted here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I did not know about that. Okay, Ritu.
Yeah.
Ma'am, whose photo are you taking here?
I'm taking this deer's head pic.
I'm afraid, ma'am. Actually, photography is not allowed here. If you want to click photo, then you go to the garden and please take there only.
Okay, ma'am, no problem. I'm going there. Thank you so much. Sir, it will do.
Sir, all.
Absolutely correct. Now you can ask me, Ritu.
Okay. Well, what's your good name, please, sir?
I'm John Abraham.
Okay, Mr. John, please ask me whose photo are you taking here?
Ask me.
Well, sir, please tell me whose photo are you taking?
Uh, you're a security personnel.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, I'm really sorry. I did not notice the board. Actually, I was taking my family's pic and I was taking the monument in the background.
I'm so sorry, sir. Photography is prohibited here. Please go in the garden and pick there, please.
You don't know I'm John Abraham. I'm the famous hero. I'm
Yes, sir.
allowed, no?
You are most welcome, sir. Plus, I am afraid, sir. Please go
Thank
ahead.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Uh,
Well done,
nice.
well done.
Let's play second round. पूरा
सर ये
sentence आप
बॉम्बे का असर है
come again.
सर बॉम्बे का असर है ऋतु में
हाँ,
वहाँ
आज पहली बार वो
ऐसे
एक्सेंट हमारी क्लास में बच्चे they use this accent, American accent.
नहीं सर मैं मस्ती कर रही हूँ कि बॉम्बे में
She
ये
is in the form, sir. Today she is in
फॉर्म
form.
Yes. Actually, society molds a man.
यस सर
Have I given you this idiom? Yes. खरबूजे को देखकर
Yes,
खरबूजा
sir.
रंग बदलता है. Now, guys, you will have to change the chapter, subject, object, everything. But whose plus noun is mandatory? आवश्यक है. Aparna, whose bike is this?
Sir, this is mine.
ये किसकी गाड़ी है?
Sir, ये मेरी है.
But this is no parking zone. Please take it out.
Okay, sir. Well, I will do it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sarika, um, whose dress is this? Whose outfit is this you are wearing? No.
It
Whose
is designed by
whose
Nita
goggles is
Lula.
this are you wearing? Whose goggles is this who are you wearing? It is not Wildo. अरे कुछ नया. Nothing something.
Put on के
Uh,
प्रयोग का ज्यादा प्रयोग करें. Have I given you?
yes, sir. You have given.
Put on is the synonym of. But you should use wear, not wear.
Wearing, wear- wearing. Okay, Sarika, tell me whose outfit is this lying here?
This is designed by Neeta Lula, which I have put on.
Lying here on the bed.
Okay. Which is lying on the bed.
Huh.
Come again.
Okay. Sarika, whose outfit is this lying on the bed?
Okay. Actually, it's my son outfit.
Uh,
Apostrophe S is required.
sons.
Okay. It is my son's outfit.
Um, So it should not be on the bed to say to your son, keep it in wardrobe.
Actually, he is going to put on right now. That's why it is lying on the bed.
Okay, okay. Go ahead.
Okay, Renu Bhabhi. Hmm, सर उसमें कंपनी बतानी रहेगी क्या हुज की नहीं ना किसके हैं
एक्चुअली
वो
हुज का प्रयोग वास्तव में व्यक्तिवाचक व्यक्तिवाचक और अगर हमें कंपनी के बारे में पूछना है तो फिर हमें ऐसा पूछना पड़ेगा विच ब्रांड आर यू यूजिंग विच ब्रांड डू यू प्रेफर तो ये व्यक्तिवाचक है इसका ध्यान रखें हम लिख देते हैं बाजू में लिख लिया
जी सर शुड आई आस्क राइट ना रेणु भाभी whose iPad are you using during your class?
I'm using my own iPad during the class. Okay.
जी आप क्लास भाभी क्लास के दौरान आप किसका iPad यूज कर रही हैं
क्लास के दौरान मैं अपना ही iPad यूज कर रही हूँ. Okay.
Renu, you asked me.
Okay. Sir, whose keys are this?
Well, I really don't know whose keys are these. Let me confirm. It must be related to these students sitting inside the class.
So, sir, I have to count a question now.
Uh, you can.
Okay. Okay, sir. So please tell them to take care of their things.
See, Renu, these kids nowadays so irresponsible. They always live in the virtual world, busy with their mobile, laptop, blah blah. But
So,
virtual
virtual world is the world where we cannot meet. We cannot मतलब interact with each other. Na? This is the virtual world. We are
This is virtual class.
virtual class. Okay.
Where we are not physically facing each other, where
Okay.
we are not facing each other physically. Okay, now it is Ritu's turn, right, Ritu?
Yes, sir.
Ritu, well, tell me whose car have you borrowed for vaccination?
Sir, that car is mine.
Actually, you should give the answer because your car was not working and
Okay, okay.
another car was taken by your hubby. In
Okay.
that condition, why am I asking? Because you were not driving your own car. That's why I'm asking. And plus, I'm using present perfect. That's why I interrupted you. Aparna used present continuous. Sarika also used present continuous. That's why I deliberately used present perfect. I killed two birds with one stone. I wanted to tell you, you should try to use different chapters.
Okay, sir,
Okay,
please.
let me ask again. Ritu, you went for the vaccination today. So, whose car have you borrowed?
Sir, I have borrowed my neighbor's car because my car is wet and puncture को क्या बोलते हैं?
Ah, nice question. Now I'm giving you one more interactive kind of sentence.
Puncture. Puncture.
तो अभी तुम बोल दो इसका फिर हम अगला राउंड खेलें.
Okay, sir. I went for vaccination uh, with borrowed my neighbor's car because my car was punctured.
ओके. तो रितु, अब जब तुम क्वेश्चन करोगी इससे पूनम से, तो कुछ अच्छा सा चैप्टर सोच लेना जो इन्होंने किसी ने ना यूज किया.
Okay, sir. Poonam, which parcel is this?
whose प्रयोग करना बेटा.
Okay. Whose parcel is this?
हाँ, be present.
Ritu, this is my son's parcel.
पूनम, ये किसका पार्सल है?
रितु, ये मेरे बेटे का पार्सल है. You know,
By watchman.
nowadays children, you know, Ritu, nowadays children shop from want to shopping only on online shopping.
But it given by a watchman to me. And
Okay,
I
it was not given by
handed it
delivered
to-
boy.
Sorry, come
Ritu,
again.
it was not given by delivered boy.
And
Delivery
delivery
boy.
boy has not given. Delivery boy has not
Delivery
given
boy.
it. Watchman has given.
Okay, so I don't know exactly whose parcel is this.
Okay. Poonam, it has mentioned room number 102 and your room number is 201, I think. No?
Okay, you will be maybe you are confused. That's why you have given to me.
Okay, it will do.
Okay, sir. So should I ask?
You can ask me. In this pretense, I will use one more chapter. Ask me.
Okay. Sir, whose watch is this you have weared?
This is be present again, Poonam. Another use,
Okay.
another chapter.
Sir, whose watch you have weared?
Wear का second form wear नहीं होता है. Wear का
Wear. Wear. Wear का wear ही होगा.
What is the
War,
second
war.
form of
Sorry,
where, Sarika?
war,
War. Sir,
Give me
war.
complete answer.
war.
Give me complete
Sir,
answer.
the second form of where is war.
Renu, what is the third form of where?
Sir, the
Where?
third form of where should be worn. W
Yes.
R N.
Where, word, worn. Guys, वो जो verb distribution process है, the process of verb distribution is, uh, you can say, Ramban process. It is very useful when you deliver, when you distribute verb, everyday new verbs. So gradually they come on your tongue. You are used to it. Okay, Poonam, I'm asking you one question. Poonam, well, tell me whose party will you join today? Future Simple, guys.
So today I will join
Today
my
से आंसर
cousin's
मत
party.
शुरू करो पूनम, आई से आंसर शुरू करो. टुडे आखिरी में रखो.
Okay. Well, I'm going to join. I can give the answer. Okay. Uh, well, I'm going to join my cousin's party today.
ओके, आज आप किसकी पार्टी ज्वाइन करेंगे?
आज मैं अपने कजिन की पार्टी में जा रही हूँ.
अब देखो, हमने फ्यूचर सिंपल पूछ लिया. अब इतनी देर में कुछ जहन में अच्छा सा और ऐसा चैप्टर आया जो अभी तक यूज ना हुआ हो.
Okay. Mm.
Sir, excuse me. Sir, I have to attend online interactive sessions. So, sir, please, may I take your leave?
Yes, yes, please go. Good.
Okay. Thank you,
Nowadays you
sir.
are using "May I take your leave." Looks good.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
You are excused.
So we can take should or would.
Any chapter, whatever you have got.
Uh, who-
Okay, meanwhile, I'm asking one question to Aparna. Aparna, whose care should we take in this period? Whose care should we take during pregnancy period? ध्यान दीजिए, whose के साथ care आ गया है और take बाद में आ रहा है. I am repeating. Mind this sentence. Aparna, whose care should we take during pregnancy period?
Well, sir, we should take care of pregnant lady. We should take care of pregnant.
Poonam, have you got any another chapter? I
Can
have
I make,
used
sir?
this.
Can
Please,
I?
you can ask to Ritu. Ritu will
Okay.
ask them.
Uh, whose name can you take? Can you suggest for election?
Well, Aparna, I can suggest uh,
सोसाइटी इलेक्शन कर दो तो ज्यादा.
Society election.
yeah,
In
I can suggest
whose name?
Manish Vora's name in society's election.
For
for society election. I can suggest Manish Vohra's name. Manish Vohra for society election.
I'm repeating my question. Whose name?
देखना, हाँ तुम पूछो अपर्णा.
Same question, no?
चलो हम आंसर दे देते हैं. Well, Aparna, I think Manish Vora will be the best. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप उसी चैप्टर में
उसी
आंसर.
हाँ वही बात बोलना जरूरी नहीं. Yes.
ये बी फ्यूचर आ गया ना, देखो इसी बहाने. Aparna, I think Manish Vora will be the best candidate. He's so much social and he's having leading capacity.
Sir, I can make one sentence. I can
Please ask to
with
Poonam.
should. Okay, Poonam. I'm using should. Okay, Poonam. Whose footwear she should wear for the party?
Renu, actually, she should want to wear her uh, uh, shoes for her own her own. Sorry, come again, Renu.
शुड और वांट का एक साथ प्रयोग ना करें पूनम. अच्छे से ध्यान से सुने. कम अगेन इज द बेस्ट हिट.
Okay. Whose footwear she should wear for the party?
Renu, she should wear her shoes only.
No, she can't actually. Her footwear were torn, फट गई है, torn. So she can't. And as she has not brought her so many footwears. Only one is there. So now what she will do?
Okay, so she can borrow from anyone, any of her friend,
Cousin. Okay.
cousin.
That will do. Yeah. Okay.
Uh,
It's
who is
my
the rest? Okay,
It's my
Ritu.
go.
Ritu, whose dress would you like to wear for tomorrow party?
I would like to wear tomorrow's party. I would like to wear your dress for tomorrow party.
Oh, nice. Thank you. When are you coming to see my dresses?
Right now, I am coming.
Okay.
Poonam,
I'm
it's a
waiting.
virtual word, na? So
Which
she
dress
will show you on
you
WhatsApp.
will give me? Which dress will you give me?
What kind of dress actually you want, Ritu? You want Indian
I
dress
want
or Indo-Western or Western? In
I
which
want
party are you going?
I want one piece gown. If
Okay,
you
I
have some party wear gown, so I
yes,
would like
Ritu.
to wear this.
Okay, Ritu, I have so many, so you can come to my place and see which one you want.
Do you have Poonam some jewelry also?
Yes, yes.
So
I
can
will
you
show
give me
you my
that?
jewelry also.
Ritu,
Can you give
accessories
me
you can use. Accessories with it. Accessories.
accessories? Yeah.
Accessories.
So can you give me that jewelry also?
Yes, why not, Ritu? Sure.
Okay, I'm coming. Knock knock.
Come, Ritu, come.
Okay, show me please.
See this one, how it is looking.
Show me another please.
Okay, see this one.
Yeah, this is very nice.
Okay.
But
So
I think this is too expensive.
no, Ritu, it's not very expensive.
Okay,
I,
then you give me that one, please.
Okay, you want to see their accessories also?
Yeah, this is like
Okay,
this
see
is
what kind of
matching.
accessories you want to wear. You want necklace or you want only long earrings with
I
this
want
dress?
long earrings with necklace, but matching.
Ritu, actually, na what happened? Long earrings will not suit with necklace. If you are wearing long earrings, then you won't wear anything in neck.
Okay, then give me only earrings.
Okay. See, I have one set also with earrings, with short earrings necklace. If you want to wear this, you just try here and then you take which one you like most. Which one you like more.
Okay, thank you so much, Poonam. Thank you so much. You are so nice. You are so nice of you. Nahi, so nice of you. Okay, I'm giving all these things tomorrow. Yeah, it will do.
Okay, it's not tomorrow. You keep your you keep it
All.
for more days. More days.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye,
If
Poonam.
you want some more time to wear all this, then you can.
Okay, thank you so much, Poonam.
Great. Nice. See, ladies, if the topic is related, you can speak a lot. But I'm afraid you are not using variety of verbs. Now I'm asking next question based on chapter and different verb. Renu, whose acting do you like most?
Sir, sir, I like Amitabh Bachchan's acting most.
आपको किसकी एक्टिंग सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी लगती
सर, मुझे अमिताभ बच्चन की एक्टिंग सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है।
है? पूनम, दिस इज प्रेजेंट सिंपल ऋतु, ता है, ती है, ते है। तो हमें टेंस की वैरायटी भी रखना चाहिए।
ओके। So now
चलो, अब हम एक क्वेश्चन अपर्णा से करते हैं। आप देखिए, हम चैप्टर को फोकस कर रहे हैं, चैप्टर्स। अपर्णा, whose daughter are you going to meet this evening? Whose daughter are you gonna meet this evening?
So, well, I'm gonna meet my family doctor, that is Mr. Latif, Dr.
No, no,
Latif.
I'm asking whose daughter, Daughter.
Uh,
Daughter.
well, sir, I'm going to meet my friend's daughter in the evening.
अब हम हिंदी
Because
जानबूझ के कर रहे हैं। गोना हमने यूज किया, पहले हमने गोइंग यूज कर लिया था, फिर गोना यूज किया। हिंदी पे ध्यान दीजिएगा। Actually, it was wind. It is too windy here. आप किसकी बेटी से मिलेंगी? गोना इज यूज फॉर फ्यूचर। अपर्णा, आज शाम को किसकी बिटिया से मिलेंगी?
सर, आज शाम को मैं अपनी दोस्त की बेटी से मिलूंगी. She is coming from Netherlands. She is one of my best friend daughter, and she is an MS. She is doing MS in Netherlands. So after a long time restriction, she is coming back to India. So I'm gonna meet her.
Renu, uh, whose class are you willing to attend for physics? चैप्टर पे
Sir,
ध्यान दे रहे हैं? तुम लोग चैप्टर नहीं देख रहे हो। हमने अभी देखा ये वेयर 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 3-4 बार हो गया। हमने अटेंड वर्ब रखी और विलिंग टू का यूज किया है। नोटिस दिस थिंग। रेनू, whose class is your daughter willing to attend for physics and chemistry?
Sir, she is willing to attend Mr. Matthews sir classes for physics and chemistry.
आपकी बिटिया फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री के लिए किसकी क्लास अटेंड करना चाह रही है?
सर वो मैथ्यूज सर की फिजिक्स की और केमिस्ट्री की क्लास अटेंड करना चाह रही है।
रितु, whose profile did you like most?
Sir, I like profile, sir.
Okay, I'm giving you extra. Whose profile did you like most? Salman Khan or Amir Khan?
Sir, I like Amir Khan's profile most.
आपको किसकी प्रोफाइल ज्यादा अच्छी लगी, आमिर खान की कि सलमान खान की?
मुझे आमिर खान की प्रोफाइल ज्यादा अच्छी लगी।
हमने डिड का यूज किया है। तुम लोग अभी डबल वर्ब भी प्रयोग कर रहे हो ना? डिड यू लाइक मोस्ट। हम चैप्टर पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं और वर्ब में वैरायटी रख रहे हैं। अब आप लोग एक काम करेंगे, कल जब आप 12 बजे आएंगे तो हुज का प्रयोग करेंगे सभी, और पहले से मेकअप रहेगा आपका माइंड कि हमें अलग अलग वर्ब्स रखना है। यू हैव टू पुट डिफरेंट वर्ब्स, डिफरेंट चैप्टर्स, डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज। ओके, अब हम आगे चलते हैं, इसका प्रयोग करते हैं। आई एम आस्किंग टू अपर्णा। चलो इसमें भी हम यही लगा देते हैं। अपर्णा, whose car is punctured?
सर पुलिस पुलिस
अब जब आप
नहीं,
पुलिस लिखना चाहते हैं तो सुनिए, इसको पलट दीजिए। द कार ऑफ पुलिस।
the car of police was punctured.
No, you did not listen carefully. Whose car is punctured?
Okay, sir. The car of police is punctured.
किसकी गाड़ी पंचर हो गई है?
पुलिस की गाड़ी पंचर हो गई है। रेनू भाभी, सेम
आप चाहें तो चैप्टर बदल सकते हैं, कैटेगरी भी बदल सकते हैं, और गाड़ी भी बदल सकते हैं। कार की जगह दूसरी व्हीकल ले सकते हैं।
ओके रेनू भाभी, whose car is this? Do you think नहीं?
पंचर
नहीं, whose car will be punctured on the road of concrete?
अब बढ़ाइए नहीं इस बार आंसर को, यहाँ पे आप फोकस कीजिए। आप लोग क्या बड़े सेंटेंस में चले जाते हैं बहुत ज्यादा डिस्कशन में, तो मेन चैप्टर मिस होता है। बढ़ाइए नहीं, डू नॉट एक्सपांड।
come again please.
Whose car will be punctured, Bhabhi?
The person who will not drive carefully, his car will be punctured.
किसकी गाड़ी पंचर हो जाएगी, होगी?
हाँ, जो व्यक्ति अपनी कार ध्यान से नहीं चलाएगा उसकी कार पंचर हो जाएगी, है ना? ओके, ऋतु, whose scooter can puncture. Whose scooter can puncture? नहीं,
सॉरी भाभी,
can नहीं
बनेगा, लेकिन ये पैसिव वॉइस का सेंटेंस है दोस्तों.
okay.
Can be punctured.
Can be okay. Whose scooter can be punctured?
My scooter can be punctured.
Come again.
My scooter can be punctured.
किसका स्कूटर पंचर हो सकता है?
मेरा स्कूटर पंक्चर हो सकता है. पूनम, सर पंक्चर ही लेना है ना, कार बदल सकते हैं बस. पूनम, whose bicycle will be punctured?
Poonam is not there, just left.
Ask me.
Sir, whose bicycle will be punctured?
अब देखो रितु, तुमने बी फ्यूचर अपर्णा ने यूज किया था, तुमने भी बी फ्यूचर यूज कर. अब हम तुमसे पूछते हैं जो तुम लोग अभी नहीं कर पा रहे, हम कैटेगरी चेंज करके बताते हैं. रितु, इज योर बाइक पंचर्ड?
Yes, sir. My bike is punctured.
क्या तुम्हारी गाड़ी पंचर हो गई है?
हाँ सर, मेरी गाड़ी पंक्चर हो गई है.
अब हमने इन्वर्टेड बना दिया, तो कैटेगरी भी तो प्रयोग करना सीखे. अब चलिए हम आपको एक मजेदार बात बताते हैं. यू कैन सी द हिंदी सेंटेंस. अपर्णा पढ़ के सुनाना.
अरे पिछला टायर पंचर हो गया था.
अपर्णा, पिछले टायर को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे, डू यू नो?
रियर टायर.
रितु?
Rear tire, sir.
रेनू?
Sir, I don't know, but I will go with them. Rear tire.
Yes.
Sir, Poonam is back.
Ask Ritu.
What should I ask, sir?
What to say to पिछला टायर?
Okay.
रितु, अगर इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव बना सकती हो तो पूछो.
Okay, sir. I will try.
और प्रेजेंट में या पास्ट में, जिसमें इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव.
Rear tire puncture.
इंट्रोगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव.
Renu, which tire?
इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव.
You have to ask Poonam.
Renu, can you make interrogative negative?
Sir, is your tire punctured? Puncture आएगा first form.
Interrogative negative.
Can I make some?
Is your not आएगा. Is subject है.
खुला कर दो.
Is tire not puncture?
Your tire is complete subject.
Okay. Is your tire not punctured? Puncture. P-U-N.
Punctured.
Sir, first form आएगी ना इसमें?
ये पैसिव वॉइस का सेंटेंस.
अच्छा, punctured. Is your tire not punctured?
अपर्णा आंसर दे दो।
Sir, come again, sir. What did you ask?
आंसर दे दो रेनू का। आंसर रेनू's क्वेश्चन।
Okay, Renu Bhabhi, why tire isn't
हाँ,
punctured?
यहाँ पे एक थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम है। रितु, कैन यू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन?
Renu, come again, please.
No, Renu will not come again. Why don't you listen carefully? अब देखना, इसको सुनिएगा ध्यान से, जो लिखा हुआ आएगा उसको पढ़िएगा। रेनू, come again.
Is your tire not punctured?
No, my tire is punctured. Complete the process.
क्या आपका टायर पंचर नहीं हुआ है?
नहीं, हो गया है। सी।
ओके, ओ आई हैव नॉट सीन, मैंने देखा नहीं।
अब देखिए, हम आगे चलते हैं और ये इसको समाप्त करते हैं क्लास को। कैन यू गेस यहाँ पे कौन सा शब्द आने वाला है?
Has been punctured. Was been. No, was.
Was punctured. Was flat.
Oh dear, tire was.
Never heard.
No, sir. I did not hear.
बेसमेंट में दो लड़कियां खड़ी रहती हैं कार के बाजू में और बोलती, ओ फ्लैट, टायर फ्लैट। तो वहां से जो आदमी गुजरता रहता है बोलता है 2 बेडरूम। वो पूरे समय फ्लैट के बारे में सोचता रहता है। एक ऐड याद करना।
हाँ।
फिर वो लिफ्ट में जाता रहता है तो कोई उससे पूछता है कौन सा फ्लोर, बोलता है मार्बल फ्लोर। वो जब नीचे आता है तो दो लड़कियां खड़ी रहती हैं, ऐसा बोलती, ओ टायर फ्लैट। फ्लैट, जब टायर फ्लैट, वो मतलब पंचर होता तो फ्लैट हो जाता ना,
फ्लैट हो
फ्लैट।
जाता है बस। पर
सुना
वो
होगा।
वो फ्लैट सिर्फ FLATE है,
हाँ,
घर
तो
वाला।
स्पेलिंग, हाँ फ्लैट, द टायर इज फ्लैट।
पर
वही ले रहा है। चेक
क्या
करना
नाम?
इसको, व्हाट्सएप में शेयर करना। चेक इट एंड शेयर इट। ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। रेनू, विच टायर वॉज फ्लैट?
सर द रियर टायर वाज फ्लैट।
कौन सा टायर पंचर हो गया था?
तो पिछला टायर पंचर हो गया था। ओके, अपर्णा, विच टायर वाज फ्लैट?
The rear tire was flat.
अच्छा, कौन सा?
आगे वाले को क्या बोलेंगे?
फ्रंट।
फ्रंट।
किसको?
Oh,
कम
the
अगेन।
front.
आगे वाले टायर को सर।
फ्रंट टायर।
फ्रंट टायर।
फ्रंट, रियर।
The front tire was flat, भाभी।
कौन सा टायर पंचर हो गया?
सामने वाला टायर पंचर हो गया।
गया है।
Ask to me.
Okay,
हाँ,
Ritu.
पिछला टायर पंचर हो गया था।
Which was the नहीं क्या? Which one tire was flat?
I think rear and front both tire was flat.
Sorry.
I was waiting for this question.
सर इसमें should I say something?
Please.
इसमें we can say the rear as well as the front tire was flat.
Sorry.
Rear and front tire were flat.
Were. WERE.
Verb.
Plural
Yes.
number.
Yes. The rear and front both tire were flat.
हम अगर ये आंसर देते तो ऐसा देते. Actually, both the tires were flat.
हम
अब
लोग
यहाँ पे
रियर और
हम
फ्रंट में लगे हैं ना सर असल.
टू व्हीलर की बात कर लेंगे हम. तो दोनों टायर पंचर हो गए थे. Okay, guys, we are concluding here. Have you written the verb? Okay, Aparna, what should be the verb for छेद करना?
So the verb for छेद करना is puncture.
Okay. अब अगला सवाल रेनू से पूछो.
Renu Bhabi, what should be the verb second form of okay? What should be the second form of puncture?
The second form of puncture should be punctured. Okay, Ritu, what should be the third form of puncture?
The third form of puncture should be punctured.
दोस्तों, इस उदाहरण को हम ऐसे समझाते हैं कि जैसे जबलपुर के एक कुछ किसी पुराने मोहल्ले में बर्थडे पार्टी चल रही और बच्चों ने केक के ऊपर एक बड़ा सा बलून जिसके अंदर बहुत सारी टॉफी ब्ला ब्ला भर के टांग दिया है. तो उस मोहल्ले का बच्चा एक सुई लेके या पेन लेके तैयार रहेगा और जैसे ही वो केक काटने लगेगा बर्थडे बॉय या गर्ल तो बोलेगा फोड़ दे फोड़ दे फोड़ दे फोड़ दे. और अगर राइट टाउन, नेपियर टाउन या विजयनगर में यही पार्टी चल रही होगी तो बच्चा बोलेगा कम ऑन पंचर इट, कम ऑन पंचर इट, कम ऑन पंचर इट. दिस इज कॉमन, दिस इज वेरी कॉमन. जहां थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश मीडियम के बच्चे होते हैं वो ये नहीं बोलेंगे फोड़ दे फुग्गा, फोड़ दे फोड़ दे. बट इन सम प्लेसेस ऑफ जबलपुर, रितु यू नो, अपर्णा यू नो, फोड़ दे फुग्गा, फोड़ दे फुग्गा, फोड़ दे. पंचर द बलून, पंचर द बलून, कम ऑन पंचर द बलून, हरी अप, पंचर द बलून. तो दिस इज पंचर. लेकिन ये पैसिवाइज में इसलिए बनता है क्योंकि हम पंचर नहीं करते. इट इज डन बाय समबडी एल्स. दिस इज पैसिवाइज. ओके गाइस, थैंक यू
सर
फॉर
ये तो
जॉइनिंग.
छेद करने से बॉडी में छेद करने के लिए पियर्स वर्ड होती, पियर्सिंग, पियर्स.
वो यहाँ के लिए यूज होता है, यहाँ के लिए.
बॉडी में कहीं पे भी छेद करवाने के लिए, मतलब अब जैसे कि फैशन है तो कहीं पे भी बॉडी में छेद कर तो पियर्सिंग ही होगा ना. पियर्स.
पंचर मतलब छेद करो और हवा निकले. तो
अच्छा.
पंचर.
Okay, sir. To ask, sir, when you will tell about the speech?
हाँ.
The result?
Yes, sir.
You are not?
Yes.
Tomorrow remind me.
Sir, actually tomorrow I think I will not be able to attend the class.
Day after.
Yeah. Okay, sir. And
You
sir,
can-
I want to ask
You
one
can
more.
put one reminder in WhatsApp. And
Okay.
generally I'm very forgetful. So if I forget, ask me directly. Firstly, you can ask me raising hands. Now, second question.
Sir, Renu Bhabi and I, we both are ready to deliver second speech.
Third
Okay.
speech.
Third, I think.
Third name means another one is speech.
Okay, okay.
Sir,
Today I have sent one speech. Have you seen?
yes,
Heard?
sir. Past simple. I have seen.
I will send some more speeches and you see the creativity of guys. That girl was using different chapters, questioning, answering, interactive idioms.
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, I want to ask one thing. That day you have told ki you can take one story of film and you can deliver your speech. So I created my story. That is okay. But
that
now,
is
yes, But now what happened? I have gone through that today's speech of that girl. I don't remember her name. So what comes to my mind ki now I am throwing a party on Saturday. So that will be passed. Matlab I will deliver the complete party. I will throw the speech on Monday. So that will be in simple past. So my practice will be done in simple past. So after delivering this simple past, then I will move forward for that story kind of thing. So
Good.
I'm thinking that. Okay.
Absolutely good.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
So should we conclude Poonam was getting some network problem or something? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you
you,
for
sir.
joining.
Thank you,
God
sir.
bless.